guys.
I just can't even tell you guys how excited I am to finally open this, knowing that it's been here sitting for so long. So, oh, big box. Okay, let's go. We got, what do we have here? A little manual on how to install the stand. So this is the AW3423DWF. So it is QD OLED 34-inch curved ultra wide, 3440 by 1440p, 1000 nits, 400 HDR, OLED, 165 Hz, FreeSync Premium, G-Sync compatible. I am just, all right, I don't even know where to begin. All right, first off, we got power cable, display port. Oh, another display port to USB-C, that's nice. And then the USB upstream cable, since you could use the monitor as a USB hub. That's nice. What do we have in this little box over here? Ooh, a nice little handy wipe to clean the screen. Now that's the wipe to clean the screen. Ooh, very nice. And in here, Alienware stickers, and then safety information in a nice little black box. I feel like this box is a bit overkill for a sticker, but for the price of the monitor, I guess they're gonna make it look as premium as they can, right? First things first, here we have the base of the stand. Oh, look how easy that comes out. Look at that, beautiful matte black, matte gray look. Grips at the bottom. Ooh, the stand looks nice and sturdy too, though I think it's going to take up a lot of room on a desk. So hopefully the desks are, if you plan on getting this, hopefully your desk has enough depth to it. The back, so once you put your cables, you put this over, it's like a cover in the back of the monitor to cover all your cables and hide it. Put that somewhere off to the side here. Let's just not forget it's on the floor and I don't step on it. That would suck. And then we have the big, heavy, sturdy stand. Ooh, look at that ooh, look at that branding. Alienware on the side. Very nice, very nice. Nice and heavy. Oh, you have the measurements of the height adjust. Oh, the cables pass through there, come out of there, and go right through there. Perfect. So, it's really well packaged too. There's foam everywhere on this monitor to really make sure that there's no issues during transport. So it's saying first put the stand together. That. There you go. And once that's in place, you could just hand tighten the screw here. But this will, at the end of the day, for me, be VESA mounted. So this is just for this video. So just a quick summary inside the box. You have obviously the screen, the stand. You have two display port cables, a USB upstream, and the power cable, along with the manual and some stickers, and a little cloth to clean the monitor, and a little bit of a factory calibration report on the QA of the monitor that you ordered. You get the back of the monitor like so. What's good is you don't even have to remove the protective film, but you get to see what the back of the monitor looks like here. You have the Alienware logo and the 34 number here. You got the button to release the VESA mount here. You have your I/O like this. Voila! Now I could get this box out, this massive box out of the way. There you go. Like I said, you have the same matte black or matte dark gray finish on the back of the monitor as you do as a stand. You have the Alienware logo here, the number 34 over here, that lights up as well, so you can control the RGB on that. Wow, okay, so here she is. The AW3423DWF OLED 3440 by 1440 Alienware, 165 Hz, 1000 nits brightness, HDR 400, FreeSync Premium, G-Sync compatible, USB hub monitor. The stand is height adjust, swivel, and tilt, which is basically everything you need for a stand. The only thing you don't have is rotation, but for an ultra-wide monitor, I mean, are you really going to use this in portrait mode? I don't think so. So you have your dual display port, you have HDMI, USB upstream, you have two USB A's in the back over here, and then you have two more right underneath the monitor in front over here, so easy access if you want to put in something like a, you know, a mouse or a keyboard or something like that. So if you guys enjoyed it, whichever one you want, subscribe if you like. I'd appreciate that, and I will catch you guys next time.